everybody. I'm out here up potting some of my pepper plants and figured I'd talk to you about something I've had a couple questions in my comments about, and that's my water bottles that I use to water my starts. Before I do that, thanks for watching, of course. Shedwars21. I was watching a Shedwars video, and I was watching a video with, I believe it was Ivey's Forge and Homestead. Ivey's a fellow retired Navy sailor like myself, and I was looking at his channel, and he had posted his first Shedwars21 video. And lo and behold, he had this raised bed that I just had to talk about with somebody. And it is a square raised bed with an opening in it. So you need to go over to Ivey's channel, which will be in the links below, and check it out, because that's a pretty cool raised bed. It's all metal, it's square, it looks cool, and maybe eventually I'm going to be able to build one of those if I get a little extra time. But I'm here to talk to you about my water bottles that I use. And these are ketchup and mustard bottles, restaurant style. Basically, you just fill them up and squeeze them. They're really easy to refill. Nice big hole on top of them to refill them. And if you go to any of your restaurant supply places, this one right here costs under $5 for 6 of them. That's pretty cheap. Oh, these are the 12 ounce. And then the 24 ounce capacity ones, I think I paid around $6 or $7 for 6 of them. So real cheap, restaurant supply store. I get all kinds of stuff at the restaurant supply store. Big bottles of soy sauce so I can up my sodium level, of course, which I don't need. But you can get a lot of stuff bulk there. So I like going in there and I buy these. I buy chopsticks at the restaurant supply store so I can stick them in my plants, tie the plants off to give them a little bit more support when they're small. But these are the most recent things I found in there. Real easy. As much water as you really want to put onto your plant. And let me try to get in close on this one. Really good stream. Even if you hit the plant, you're not going to knock it down. Well, anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hey, give me a big thumbs up. Push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the other Shedwars21 videos. Happy gardening and have a great day.